It's the Teletubbies, and they are going to look for their toy balls today. Let's find Dipsy's ball. Dipsy's going to slide to the back of the Tubbytronic Superdome. Woo! Dipsy ran into a ball. Whose ball is this? It's yellow. There's a picture of Laala. We better not tell Laala. She wants to find her own ball. Dipsy goes over to the beds. There's Dipsy's ball. Yay! Good job, Dipsy. It was hiding in the beds. Dipsy starts with the letter D. Poe's turn to find her ball. Poe goes into the garden. Is this Poe's ball? Let's give it a flip and a roll. Poe! Poe starts with the letter P. It's Tinky Winky's turn, but let's say hello to Nunu first. And we have Laala the cat joining us. Hi, Nunu. Okay, Tinky Winky, where do you think your ball is? Up, 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 up. Give it a little kick, Tinky Winky. Woo! Tinky Winky and Teletubbies starts with the letter T. Do you remember who still needs to find their ball? Laala. Do you remember where the ball was? Remember, Dipsy found it earlier. Down the slide. Woo! There's your ball, Laala. Laala's name starts with what letter? L. Good job. We found all of the balls, and now we need to rescue the Laala doll from the Laala cat. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow. Okay. Gentle. Goodbye. Bye-bye.